Hello, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about editing text. Now, editing text. How can you edit text in the Word, Microsoft Word? So now we can edit a document or text by using the following tools here. So copy, cut, paste, undo, redo, find, and replace. Now these are the following shortcut keys on the keyboard that can be used as the same as using the mouse to do it. Now you are going to practice the same, you are going to practice a test on this. So now I want us to just create a test, a dummy test for this. Now you're going to generate a paragraph whereby you can just copy this, cut, paste, undo, redo, find, and replace. So just type in rand, so equal to rand, then you have your bracket open, so 2, 2. Now this is random. We need a random paragraph, and the first one is there. We want 2 paragraphs. So paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Now this 2 is within each paragraph we want 2 sentences. Within each paragraph we want 2 sentences. So when you are done typing this, hit on the enter key and you have your paragraph. So this is the first paragraph. This is the first paragraph. And this is the second paragraph. Now the first paragraph, this is sentence 1 and sentence 2. Second paragraph, sentence 1 and sentence 2. So that is it. Now you want to copy. So first, let's try with the copy. So let's highlight this by pressing the left mouse. You press and hold, then you drag. So let's copy the sentence 1. Now, if you want to, you can just press on the Ctrl plus C to copy, or just right click and go to copy. Now let's paste it here. So the same paste. You can paste it, or this is the paste. You can still paste it over here. When you click on this, it's going to paste the text. Now let's say you are making, so copy is a tool that is used to make a duplicate. Like you see, we have the original one here, and this is a duplicate. You copy once, but you can use it numerous times. You can still copy, you can still paste it here, you can paste and paste a lot. So that is the how to copy. So you can just use the mouse or the keyboard as well. This is the shortcut key for doing that. Now let's go to cut. Now cut is a tool that is used to change the location of a text. Now how can we change location of a text? So the same sentence here, let's highlight it. Now you're going to cut it. So let's cut. You see, when you cut, it's no more there. So now let's paste it here. Now control, you're going to paste it here. Now paste. So it means now you've now changed the location from this side to this side. So copy, it will still be there, but you're going to have a duplicate here. Why cut is going to move the text from this side to the current location. So that's the cut. And the shortcut key is Ctrl plus what? X. Now let's go for the paste. Now paste is what we've been doing. Now paste, you cut, you copy, now you paste. You cut, then you copy, then you paste. So paste, that's the paste over here. So then it also Ctrl plus V. Now undo. When do we use undo? So this paragraph here, let's change the font color to maybe red. And now let's change the foreground color to black. So we have this. Okay, so we have this over here. Now we want to go back. You see, at first we change the color of the text only, and later we change the color of the background. So if you go back, first one is going to take off the background color. Then the next one is going to take off the text color. So undo, there is the undo right here. Now when you click on the undo, click on once and see. Now you see, now the text, the background color is gone. But you see the text here is not the same as, the color of the text here is not the same as the ones found here. So the same undo here, and it's going to send it to the initial state. Now if you think you still want to add a color, Now that's where you go to redo. So redo means redo what you undo. So now redo. Now let's see. Now so when you redo, the first one is going to change the color. So it is vice versa. It is reversing the undo. And when you go back again, click on the redo again, it's going to change it. So the same thing applies to any of the tests here. You can still apply, let's say you want to apply this test effect here. Now you've applied it. And now if you want to undo it, just go back, undo. Now you want to, you can still redo. Okay, so that is it. And now let's go for the next one is the find and replace. Find. Now find Control plus F is going to give you the find, or you go to the file, then you go to find. So that is when using Macintosh or Mac operating system, you go to that is edit and you go to find, or you press on Control plus F, then you go to find. Okay, so find is over here. Where is my find? So home. Let's see if you can still get the find over there. So we have edit. Okay, so click on the find and replace. Now this text over here, this text, you want to find a particular text over here. So let's check which of these texts appears most. Now document here, you have document, you have one over here, and okay, so let's pick any of the texts. So document. Now let's copy. So let's copy this document, and now let's paste it here. Find. So let's paste. You can see now it will just search the whole document, the whole text, and highlight the number of text which is document in it. So you can see we have 1, we have 2 over here, right? So we have 1 and we have 2. So we have 2 found. So result 2 found. Okay, so that is it. Let's say you want to just pick another one. Just letter M. You could say how many found? 8. 8 found. That's an M. Now another one. Let's take A. How many found? 21. You can see. So now that's a found. Now if you want to change, so let's type in the document. This document, and now you want to change it to docs. Okay, so that is a change over here, replace. So this is a find and this is a replace. So find allows you to find a specific word in a paragraph or in a document, while replace allows you to replace the find or the found text. So the new word is the docs. You're going to replace it with the current document, the word document in this. Now let's go to replace. Now when you go to replace all, you have 2 found, it's going to replace all. But when you go to replace, it's going to replace the first one only, that's all. So let's see, replace. Now this first one, the first document here, so when you add S to this side, when you add S here, so let's add the docs here, the one, so docs. So you can see now you have the first one here, right? But when you type in a document here, you still have one there. So let's see, when you go to replace all, it's going to replace all word name as document in the paragraph. So that is a way to go about it. So today we've talked about the copy, cut, paste, undo, redo, find, and replace. And these are the shortcut keys for using these tools. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.